So here's the thing, man. If you want me to show you the video where I take the whole cover off, and that's gonna be on another one, but for now I'm just gonna show you what's inside the Xbox. So you have your I think this is your what do they call it, your CD receiver, the thing that's basically you know, receiving the disc. So we just unplug that, and then you have your, this is basically just for ventilation going into your heat sink. So I assume this is a heat sink, and then this is your fan. So it's a dual fan. And then basically this is your motherboard. So I want to see what's holding what's under the heatsink. But for that I need this funny screwdriver, because it has like these funny points. So for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. But basically that's what you get inside your Xbox. Couple of capacitors, the heatsink. See what else I can identify. This looks like the CPU. What's this? Built-in CPU. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know what this is. But I'm going to study all these components and then give you an update on the components.